Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. So finally, my peppers turned red. They turned ripe indoor. So if you've been following my videos, a couple weeks back, I brought them in from outside. They were behind of the greenhouse, grown in ground, and it's fall time, late fall time in New York. So we're about to lose all the summer crops outside, and I did not want to lose my plant. And I had so much green peppers that I did want to try and have some red peppers because the red flavors are more tasty, it's more flavorful, and it's delicious. And I really wanted to save these pepper plants. So what I did was remove it, bring it in a container, and I have the grow lights and I put it in there. So if you're wondering why I remove all the leaves, is basically once all your pepper reach the size, the only thing left to do now is to ripen them up. And we were running out of time, so I remove all the leaves or any extra growth point, and this way the plant just focus the energy on ripening. And even without any leaves or anything, it got ripe. And the other thing, when your peppers turn red, do not leave them too long or they're gonna start get dry and they're gonna start getting soft. So to get a nice crispy pepper, pick them right away. Even you could pick them when they have a little bit of orange, so that way it will taste delicious, crunchy, and a nice flavor pepper. This is the longhorn cow horn pepper. Very flavorful. One of the most delicious pepper. You know, I love the cayenne pepper and stuff, but this flavor, it's not. It's like a mild spicy. It's not too spicy. So what are we gonna do with this? I'm gonna make pepper sauce. Maybe I'm just gonna blend all of them up, or what I do sometimes, I just cut them up small pieces and put them in the Ziploc bag. If you're wondering what's on Green Tea Garden next, now this is what you call the Torras Coolify 2S. This video was sponsored by this company sending me this out, and I do appreciate it. And the craziest thing is that 2 days ago, I actually pulled my neck muscle working out. This neck cooling is not just cooling or pushing out fan air, it also produces heat. So right now I have the heat on, and the good thing about it is this thing is incredible. It comes with a nice carrying case too. Look, it's like a donut. You could just hold it like this, or you got a handle part right here that you could store. This thing is pretty cool. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. Look at it right here. So the fan comes out right here, one here, and then it got another piece there. And it's this part right here is very flexible, so it fits to everybody's neck. So when it comes in, it comes like this, and it fits actually perfect. I had it on maybe like an hour right now, and I gotta tell you, I have it on low heat, and it feels really nice. So if you're in a hot summer weather, you could put on the AC. It works with a phone. It works with the app too. You could easily control it from a phone, or you have the buttons over here. So if you don't want to control it by the button and you don't want to get it, you just tap it on your phone, and you could set it from cooling, fan, or heat. The fan air will blow right up here, and you feel like refreshing. So this thing is pretty cool. They do have Black Friday deals going on a big sale right now. Check in the description box. I'm going to leave the links and more pricing details for this, so you guys could go ahead and check out this company. They do have amazing reviews on Amazon, and I gotta tell you, it's very comfortable. Appreciate it from this company, Torras, and loving this Coolify. I'm gonna tell you, it's comfortable. Not big as they sent it out to me. I'm gonna be like, all right, but look, if you go like this, it doesn't fall off. It fits perfect right here. And I told you, with the fan, you can't even hear the fan is on that much. It's pretty cool, actually. Back to this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove all of the peppers, and as I said, you could blend them up with vinegar and salt and some water, and you could make a pepper sauce. Or what you could do is cut them up into small pieces, and you could store them in a Ziploc bag or an airtight freezer bag, or even you could even put them in a mason jar. A mason jar will store them really nice too. And remember, pepper plant will come back every year. So what we could do is just prune this. I'm going to show you real quick. So instead of planting back your pepper plant, you could just do what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it off like this, and this way you could keep it right in your home here, or you could put it in a nice warm place in your home. Just add some water every 2 weeks, maybe a little bit of water, and you see what I do there. Now this is gonna grow back next spring, and put it outside, and you're gonna see how it's grown, and it's gonna produce. It's my dog, bless you. and it's gonna produce 10 times better than a new pepper plant. It's gonna grow faster, and then you don't have to seed and go through all that process. This plant will just grow and produce a lot faster. My dog Kayla, you saying hi? She almost got my case, by the way. No, and all right. Let Daddy finish up here. Come on. All right, sorry, but then my dog, she's excited. So it kind of looks scary if you're a beginner. You're like, oh my god, what is this? But this is a good way how to prune it and leave it like this. So as you can see back there, some of my plants are growing indoors. So outdoor garden, I do have one more bed. Still have a couple of stuff like carrots and stuff like that, which I'll show you guys coming up next week. But beside that, then I got a couple stuff in the greenhouse, but most of my stuff I'm bringing in indoor right now. So thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I just wanted to update you guys with my pepper plant. And I do appreciate everyone who's been watching, supporting, giving me a thumbs up and stuff. Just coming down to Thanksgiving soon, so happy Thanksgiving, early Thanksgiving to you and your family. You guys eat up a lot of turkey and chicken. All right, so I'll see you guys next time on Green Tea Garden. Don't forget to check in the description box for more details about this awesome product, and appreciate that company, Torras Coolify 2S is pretty good so far. I gotta tell you, I'm in love with it, and I'm pretty sure when the kids come home, they're gonna be using it as a fan and AC too. So